boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day, another shop day, man. It's very important for me, first of all, to tell you guys I want to thank you guys for the love and the support y'all giving this channel. We're on the road to 10K. From 10K, we're going to 20K, and I'll tell you right now, we're going to keep on growing thanks to you guys, man. We got a lot of exciting videos coming up, but I want to show you guys something. We are the Mopar Kings, but I do want to tell you we do everything else. So, we have a beautiful C7 Corvette here, being touched right now by yours truly, Josh, in the building. This one here came into the shop, he wanted to do some upgrades. So I'm going to just show you what the car looks like right now. And then I'm going to show you what the car looks like when I get done with it, so you guys can have an understanding of exactly what's going on. These jacks are going to be gone. We ordered a lift, which is going to make life a lot easier. But this is what the Corvette looks like right now. I'm going to show you on a few what the Corvette could look like in a minute. So just keep on checking on the video, man. Stay posted. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and share button, man. And don't forget to subscribe to my dad's channel, Bonsai Runner. He got his channel now. This is not his bonsai car. His bonsai car over here. Let me show y'all what it is over here. Because y'all see him in the street, y'all better watch it. That's the bonsai car. But he's today driving the Mazda because he's doing his thing here. Don't forget, his link is going to be in the bottom of my videos. He's going to be having nothing but little races that he does, man. Give him support, Dad. My father, he is the bonsai runner. And be careful you catch him in the street because you might be in for a surprise. That's all I'm going to say. Give y'all an update of what's going on, man. We got the Corvette going in. Just want to show y'all, man, we had to replace the spoiler in the back of this guy. So he bought an AVR spoiler for the rear of the car. As you can see, he had it wrapped in carbon fiber. We're doing the installs. But literally, you have to take the whole bumper separation from the car to be able to get to the bolts that lock in the bottom of this here. So you have to basically remove this whole paneling and everything from the car, lights and all from the back. You see this side he's working on. This side the lights are removed, so that way he could do this install and get this in here. But we got that going. We got this beautiful carbon fiber side skirt that you guys see right here. Done. We got the front lip installed. Done. The car's ready to go pretty soon. Doing all of the install of this car. Again, I'm gonna walk you through it. Front splitter, carbon fiber wrapped. Side splitter, carbon fiber wrapped. Rear spoiler, also installed, carbon fiber wrapped. So this bad boy is ready to go, sign, seal, deliver. I'm gonna go up front and show the customer and give you guys a review. I'm giving y'all an update of what's going on. We got this beautiful Camino we did today. We got the wheels and tires on her. I want you to see what y'all think about this. Beautiful Camino. Wheels and tires completely done, y'all. Beautiful set of 20s. Looking clean. Looking good. This one actually got done today, but this one will be out of here. Belongs to one of my loyal customers for many years, Junior. And I'm not gonna lie, the damn car looks beautiful. I want you to see the inside of this bad boy. Look at this peanut butter interior, y'all. He's in the process of rebuilding this bad boy. This is gonna be a clean car once he gets it done. That's 100% guaranteed of a fact. And we got something came in, guys. You see this here? Now you see it. You'll see it in a few days. It's a wide body. We're about to make this charger a wide body charger, y'all. So call the thing that we do here at AUDIOZONE, man. Come check us out at 1230 North Beltline Road. I'm gonna show you one more thing that's gone. This is this beautiful truck. Got two Rockford Falls gates, DSP processor, Diamond Audio 5-channel amplifier. He got to keep his factory screen, as you can see. And he is ecstatic because it sounds badass. I mean, it gives you a whole nother level of adjusting. We'll be done with this in a minute. Showed him his truck. Y'all recognize him from the video that posted of the Chevelle. He came back, has his truck done. Now I got a question. He came asking for suggestions. Yeah. I gave you some suggestions. We worked on numbers. We got the numbers done. We installed it. My question to you is going to be, what do you expect right now from your truck?
Man, I tell you what, like, you guys just top what I thought a stereo system is, just to the next fucking level, dude. It just blows my mind.
Man, we're actually glad that you gave us a chance to serve you, man. Let me flip this over here. We're glad we got to serve you, man. You know what I'm saying? I try to do the best I can to understand what you need as a customer. And I tried to get it within the budget you want to get it to, but when I hear these kind of reactions, it blows me out, man, because in reality, that's what I work hard. I understand that a happy customer, you already seen him with the Chevelle, he's now back with the Silverado. I guarantee if he has something else, he could have come to AUDIOZONE, and that's what we built it for, man. But it was a project, but it sounds, guys, you have to come and look at that truck. It sounds amazing.
That interface, I didn't even know that thing existed before.
Man, the thing with a DSP, man, like a digital sound processor. So now, I already told you, if you get down and start playing with this processor, you'll never have an audio system without it again. It adjusts the curves, the beginning of audio, the ending of audio of every speaker, so it keeps them within range, never clipping, no issues. Voltage, gains, frequencies, everything is adjusted. Once you play with that, you never go back to another anything, I don't care what you have, you always stay DSP. So he has the AX DSP from Access. He has the Diamond Audio 5 channel, which is another top tier amplifier. He has the Rockford Fosgate P3s. He has the Pro Box, everything installed. He still has factory speakers. We tweaked it and tuned it. It really sounds amazing, but I know he'll be back. Yeah. And again, I want to tell you, thank you for always giving that chance to serve you. They're going to have this truck being signed, still delivered, man. And you know, kind of what we do, man. We're grateful that we have the chance to serve you guys, man. You know what I'm saying? We really do our best to strive for customer service and to keep you happy. And I'm in between these two buildings here. I saw that your building's on the left-hand side, but I'm right in between those two buildings that are here. I got your baby outside. Yeah, I'm here. Bro, I'm right here outside. In between these two buildings, I came down Bandera. I saw you at it. I made a left on the street here. I don't know what the street, you know what I'm talking about. I'm in between these two buildings. I'm right here downstairs. I'll see you here, puppy. So we here, right? Look at the time, man. People understand the grind is real. We're working late night. It's late night.
Real,
we're
real.
But we here with real to real, and people don't understand. I got a shirt that I bought. It says we don't shine the same because we don't grind the same. And when it comes to it, man, the reality is,
let's get in the light so they can see us.
Do you see light?
Yeah, we good.
Yeah, right here.
So I'll tell you something right now, man. We work very hard for what we do and what we're able to accomplish. First of all, God's favor upon us to bring us the work that we have. But on top of that, when God gives you the work, you got to do your part, man. You got to work hard to get that money, make the most money you can, and do what you have to do while you got the strength to do it. And in reality, I can't wait to see this customer's reaction when he sees this car. But we came all the way here. Real, what you got to say?
Man, we came to drop it off, so that.
And you know where we at? We far from the shop.
We far from the shop.
But we're here dropping off this car because it's all about the customer service and also getting that reaction. This is going to be a future payday because it pays now, but it's definitely going to pay again.
I don't know if y'all can see my hands, but they black. I used to be light skinned right there. Y'all see that? Exactly, man.
But
say
you know
we don't work.
No, they say we don't work, but this is proof that we do. So we'll deliver this bad boy. I'll be back in a minute.
Man, they're jumping right.
So we're here doing the big rebuild. This is JR. Y'all already seen him, man. Been a client of mine for many, many years. We got his Camino delivered to him. This is your baby. Look at the shirt, y'all. Look at that Gucci. Wearing that Louis Vuitton right now, y'all. The Louis Vuitton on.
I like that.
But he is about to get his car. We get drove in here.
Yeah,
no rubs, no scratches, no nothing. No need to do nothing else. The car is 100% done. That's your baby. Go take a look at it. Go follow him while you look at it, baby.
Thumbs up, motorcycles, all that. I'm like, dang, that's that attention.
Everything's just the way you wanted it, plus the fender wells, everything is good. No rubbing, no scratching, no nothing. I love it. Oh, look at him. He got the white light in the bottom. What? This is it, man.
I told you.
I would have been riding with those on, man. Yeah, a lot of people thumbs up, a lot of people clapping. That's a great thing. That's a beautiful thing.
Don't jack it all the way.
It looks great. I just took a whole block with you. I got a question. How you feel about your vehicle?
I made sure.
Great job, awesome job.
I'm happy we came here. And the thing, we late night working, but we delivered the car to JR. Now he can go and enjoy his car. Because if he didn't, I could keep his car for a few days. When he came back and have a paint job, it'll be because I like it. But man, the car beautiful. Congratulations, Junior.
Thank you very
Congratulations.
Looks
and
good.
You let me know. I had to come and sign to deliver.
I got so many thumbs up
my
on
wife,
the way.
I want you to know my wife is hungry. You know, a hungry wife ain't a good thing. But I had to get this taken care of for y'all today. I know she knows. So when I get home, if y'all see me in the news missing, you just know to call the police. It was my wife. There's nothing else. Deal? Y'all be good. This is the end of the video, man. I want to thank you for the watching, man. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and God bless.